Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I wanted to show you some stuff that I got from an old friend of mine. He was the guy who did the, bought out that silversmith shop. And there were some odd things in there that I wasn't quite sure what they were. And inside one of the drawers was these little donuts of ballistics gel, I'm pretty sure anyway. He was a Coast Guard veteran and he was a search and rescue guy, and I don't know what he did before or after he got out of the military. I know he was in some sort of law enforcement capacity. But he was a silversmith, and he liked to make stuff from scratch. Now inside this drawer was a bunch of little blobs of brass. I've got them around here somewhere. I don't know exactly where they are right offhand. They're in a little film container where, now this is ballistics gel. Now what I'm guessing is that he had put his metal pins from his military experience. He put metal pins in the bottom of a pan, and then he poured the ballistics gel as it was a liquid over the top of it, and then it solidified over the top of the little pins, which were little metal ribbons, the stars and the eagles and the cutter pins and all that stuff. And as you can see right here, what they did is they left a great impression. They left a great impression. Let me see if this is all in focus here. They left a great impression inside the ballistics gel. And what he did was, after he got them all fixed in there, what he did was pour in hot wax and then used the hot wax as his medium for making silver castings. So it was a lost wax casting is the process. And as you can see, he's got a whole bunch of them here. There's a little eagle. You can see where he popped it out of the gel. It's got a couple little fingernails that are hanging in there. And I don't know how well this stuff worked, but he has a whole bunch of them. He has a whole bunch of them here. There's a prop, and there's an eagle with a shield, and that looks like a cutterman's pin. And he was Coast Guard, so that's the reason why we kind of got along, is we were both coasties. And here's another one. I've got 5 of them here, and I'm going to be listing them on eBay. I don't know whether they're going to sell, but I thought before I sold them, I would make a video of them in case there's anybody out there who does silversmithing work and is looking for a way to make lost wax casting blanks, is with the ballistics gel. As I said, you looks like this one here was just a folded up piece of plastic. Like he just held it in his hand and cupped it in there until it solidified. I don't know how long it takes. I've never mixed the stuff up before. But I thought it might be some useful information for any silversmiths out there who can use this idea to forward their career in silversmithing or goldsmithing. I thought y'all might like to see that. Look, I got an old Elgin cigarette case here. Look, it even works. Look at that, huh? Yeah. That's an old one. I don't know what I'm going to get for that. I probably started out at $10 or something on eBay. But I thought it was pretty cool. So I just thought before I listed them, I'd go ahead and make a video of it all and see how it comes out. Hey, this is a Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.